All right, mistake correction. As always, warmth first. These are the mistakes of someone who is using English in real situations, real courage, real communication. Let's just gently fine-tune.
Let's fix them gently. Mistake number 1. Someone wants to ask permission in a formal or professional context. They say, "Can I to use the bathroom?" or "Can I to ask something?" The feeling is right, it's a request, a check-in, a moment of consideration, but the little word to has sneaked in after can and could, and it doesn't belong there.
So after can and could, the action word comes in its simplest base form, no to, no extra signal needed. Can and could carry all the permission energy themselves. They don't need help. Can I use the bathroom? Clean, no to. Could I ask you something? Smooth, no to. Can you help me? Could you explain that? Every time the action word comes clean, no to between them.
Think of can and could as the door handle, and the action word as the door. The handle works the door directly. You don't need anything in between. Put something in between the handle and the door, and the whole mechanism jams.
The mechanism jams, I felt that. Mistake number 2. This one is about using could in a way that accidentally sounds like doubt instead of politeness. Someone says, "Could you be the manager?" when they mean, "Are you the manager?" And the could there sounds like genuine uncertainty. Like, is it possible that you are? Are you? Perhaps, maybe. It creates a strange question when a direct one was needed.
Right, so could for requests is beautiful and warm, but could for direct factual questions, are you this person, is this the right floor, it can accidentally sound like you're unsure of reality, like you're questioning whether this person actually exists in this role. For direct factual questions, are you the manager, or is this the right floor? Keep could for requests, suggestions, and possibilities, not for facts.
Could is for feelings and requests. Direct facts prefer direct questions. That's a good clean line to feel.
Mistake number 3. Overusing could in situations where can would feel more natural and human. And the result is that the speaker sounds overly stiff, like they're performing politeness rather than feeling it. Someone says to their best friend, "Could you pass me the remote, please?" And their friend looks at them with that look.
That look that says, "Are you okay? Why are you being so formal?"
Exactly. Because could with close friends in casual moments, it can create distance where there should be ease. It can make the relationship feel more formal than it is, and that's its own kind of mismatch.
So the rule of feeling is this. In casual relationships, casual moments, can is warm, can is close, can is real. The goal is never maximum politeness in every situation. The goal is the right temperature for the right room. With your best friend, can you pass me the remote? Natural, warm, comfortable. With your professor, could you explain that concept again? Considerate, respectful. Neither is more correct, both are right, in their right room.